Let us solve question. Let us solve one more question. Two more questions will solve. Question number 12 will solve. So what is saying? See, the following particulars relate to a limited company which has gone into liquidation. You are required to prepare liquidation final statement of account, allowing him 2% commission on asset realized and 2% on amount distributed among unsecured creditors. So this is unsecured creditors 2,24, preference creditors 70, debenture 75, asset realized. This is cash, so 20. This should come under asset realized, okay, but it has come in a one line. So asset realized cash is 20, land and building is 1,30,000, plant and machinery is 1,10,500, furniture is 7,500. Okay, next liquidation expenses we are having 2,500. Winding up means liquidation expenses. A call of 2 per share on partly paid 10,000 equity shares was made and duly paid except in cash of one shareholder 500 shares. So this is call chain idiots we have received. On how many shares? 10,000 we have to receive, but one shareholder holding 500 shares it did not pay. So 9,500 into 2 rupees we have to multiply, we'll get the amount. So it's so simple. He asks you to prepare liquidator final statement. So like these questions will be asked in exam only. Same questions will be asked. Don't worry. Big lengthy questions he will not ask. Liquidator final statement of account. Okay. So we'll write here receipts. Amount, payments, amount. Okay, so first we sold the assets, that will write assets realized. Okay, so we have realized first cash is given, we'll write in a column 20,000. okay, cash also asset realized, in asset realized cash is also given, so that also we sold. Land and building 1,30,000, 1,30,000. Next we have plant and machinery, value is 1,10,500, 1,10,500. Next we have furniture, amount is 7,500. This total assets we have sold. Okay, so we'll write 20,000, sorry 20, 1,30,000, 1,10,500 plus 7,500. Total assets we sold 2,68,000. Okay, so call chain idiots is also there. How much is call chain idiots? He's saying 9,500. So we'll write call chain idiots. We are receiving money, right? So that we have tried in call chain idiots. How many shares? 9,500 into how much? 2 rupees. Okay, 2 rupees is said. So we'll write 9,500 into 2. We're getting 19,000. Okay, so we'll do payments now. First we'll do payment to liquidator remuneration. Liquidator. First number 1, asset realized. Okay, total assets sold 2,68,000 into how much percentage for remuneration he's saying on asset realized? He's saying for asset realized 2%. 2 by 100. So 2,68,000 into 2 divided by 100. 5360. First, common number 2. So preference creditors is not saying. So we'll pay on preference creditors also. How much preference creditors we are having? 70,000. Okay. So he is not saying on preference creditors. It's a confusion. Other than he's saying or what? See. Amount is less 2% on amount distributed amount on unsecured creditors. He's not saying about, right? He's not saying. So we'll not take. And then we'll take unsecured creditors. This is a problem of your textbook. He is not mentioning. It should mention other than preference creditors. Other than preference creditors, you should mention. Unsecured creditors we don't know. Okay. So next we'll leave one line space and we'll write by liquidator remuneration. Sorry, liquidation expenses. So how much expenses we are having? Liquidation. In the problem there is low liquidation is there 2,000. This 2,000 rupees. We'll write out a column. Next, trade by preference credit arts. How much is the value of preference credit arts? In the question he mentioned 70,000. He mentioned 70,000 as preference credit arts. And after that we have to pay to debentures. We are having debentures, right? This is sequence we have to follow. How much is debentures? 75,000 by debentures. How much is amount? 75,000. After debentures, to whom we have to pay? We have to pay to nobody is there. So we have to see. We have to pay to the unsecured creditors now. Okay. Last is by unsecured creditors. And we have to see the amount is sufficient or not. So we'll see here. Amount is sufficient or not. See how much is amount? 2,68,000 is there, plus 119,000 is there, minus 5360. So total we are having 2,87,000. How we got 2,87,000? 2,68,000 plus 197, 19,000, 2,87,000 we are having here. And we have to deduct this all. Minus 5360. So plus we'll do total. 5360 plus 2,000 plus 70,000 plus 75,000. So 1,52,360 we are having. How much we have to pay to unsecured creditors? 2,24,000. So minus 1,52,360 we are having. This 2,87,000 we are having, and we have to pay 1,52,360. So 2,87,000 minus 1,52,360 if we pay, we are having only 1,34,640. But how much we have to pay to unsecured creditors? 2,24,000 we have to pay. So we are having how much? 1,34,640. So the amount is insufficient. So commission is 1,34,640 into how much is percentage? 2 by 102. Rate plus 100. Rate plus 2. 100 plus 100. Sorry. Whenever the amount is insufficient, see, this much we are having on the debit side. We have to pay this all total: 5,360, 2,000, 7,000, 70,000, 75,000. I added all. I got 1,52,360. So we have to pay 2,87,000, but we are having we have to pay 2,87,000 we are having, and we had paid already 1,52,360, but we are having 1,34,640. But how much we have to pay to unsecured creditors? 2,24,000. The amount is insufficient. So I have written here 1,34,640 into 2 by 102. So 2 divided by 102. So we are getting 2,640. 2,640. We can pay only 2,640. So we'll write all this 555360 plus 2640. So 8000 auto column we are writing remuneration. Okay, we'll do the total of asset side now. So we are getting total of asset side is 2,87,000. Here also we will write 2,87,000. From 2,87,000 we deduct all this 2,87,000 minus 8,000 minus 2,000 minus 70 minus 75,000. So we are paying to the unsecured creditors only 35,000. Unsecured creditors 1,32,000 we can pay. Okay, so we can pay to the unsecured creditors only 1,32,000. That's it. Easy, right? This much only we can pay. So like this we have to solve. We also will solve two more problems. Two problems will solve, then we'll wind up the chapter. Okay, so it's easy. Like this will be asked in exam. So we'll do 13th one now. 14th one. 13th one we'll do. 12th one we have done, right? We'll do 13th one. So it's very easy question. See what he is saying. The following information relates to Goodbye Company Limited, which has gone into voluntary liquidation. You are required to prepare liquidator final statement of account. Liquidator is entitled 2% commission on the amount realized by him. Okay. So amount realized means only assets realized is saying. Share capital we are having 1 lakh. Unsecured creditors we are having 25,000. Creditors secured by mortgage on building 20,000. So building is mortgaged. So it is important. Preference creditors is 2,000. Secured debentures is 40,000. Liquidator realized the following assets. The assets as follows: building 35,000, furniture 4,000, plant and machinery 19,000, investment 12,000. The cost of winding up amounted to rupees 1,000. This is not 10,000. This is 1,000 rupees. Okay. So simple. It's very easy. So we have to give a remuneration only on 2% on asset realized. That's it. There is no remuneration on unsecured creditors. A simple problem. I have prepared a format here. So we'll solve this problem. So we'll write heading liquidator final statement of account. statement of account. Receipts, amount, payments, amount. To assets realized, firstly sold buildings for rupees 35,000, minus from that we have to give to creditors. Okay, here creditor is there. How much is creditor? Secured 20,000. So we can call this as S creditors, means secured creditors, not Sunday creditors. 20. How much is surplus? 15,000. This surplus we can take surplus. This is surplus. Okay, we sold building for 35, but we have to pay only 20,000. So surplus we are getting 15,000. Okay. Next, furniture. How much is furniture? 4,000. Next, we can write plant and machineries here. 19,000. And investment 12,000. Okay, so 15,000 plus 12,000 plus 15,000 plus 4,000 plus 19,000 plus 12,000. So 50,000 we are having, we are getting from asset realized. Okay, so we'll write here by assets by liquidator remuneration first. Okay, let me write how much asset realized. See, this 50 and this 35 also we have to take. 35,000 plus 4,000 plus 19,000 plus 12,000. Take 70,000. Because this building also is sold, right? Building also is sold. Into percentage is 2 by 100. 70,000 into 2%. We are getting 1,400. So liquidator remuneration we can write directly 14,000 because only one asset realized we are having. Next we can write by unsecured creditor. By liquidation expenses. How much? 1,000. Next, by preference creditors. Preference creditors in the question, how much he has given? He has given 2,000. By debentures. Debentures is given in the question. How much is debentures? 40,000. Okay. Next is what? Done. So we are having 50,000. So minus 1,400 minus 1,000 minus 2,000 minus 40,000. So we are having only 5,600 by unsecured creditors. We can pay to unsecured creditors 5,600. That's it. That's balance. 50,000. Here also 50,000.